Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a very quick and simple card using some of the elements from the Mixed Media suite of products. So we have the Mixed Media Florals Designer Series paper, the Mixed Labels stamp set, along with the plaster painting 3D embossing folders. These are some of the items we're going to be using from this suite to make our card. But of course, we have to go over the buzz-worthy business of the day before we get started. So we have our Hello Spring Paper Pumpkin Kit that makes 9 cards. Petunia Pop is the stamping spot. We have our Spring is in the Air Dies add-on for $12. It's going to coordinate with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits. There is a link in the description below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our January host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up! And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Talking about freebies, it is celebration time. And during celebration, for every $60 that you spend in product, you get to not purchase, but choose a free item from our celebration brochure. And we also have some items that when you spend $120 in product, you get to choose those items, okay? There's no limit to how many freebies that you can get from the celebration brochure. So, also during celebration, we have a join special. If you would like to purchase the starter kit, it's $99 plus tax, and you're going to get to choose $125 worth of product. During celebration, we have 2 bonus offers. You can add the Handmade Designs stamp set along with 2 sets of Stampin' Right markers. Totally free. You can add that to your kit during celebration. That is a $91 value, so you're going to get 20 Stampin' Right markers and an exclusive stamp set. If you don't care for this option, you can do option 2, which is add $30 to your starter kit. So that'd be $155 worth of product you get to choose for $99 plus tax, and shipping will be free, okay? So if you would like to join my team and become a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, go ahead and click the link in the description box below. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included in that price. Although during celebration, I am having a promotion. When you spend $100 in product using my host code, I'm going to ship you one of these boxes for free. If your order is $150 or more, don't use the host code because, again, you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And I don't want you to miss out on that, but I'll still send you your free box, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. The first thing I want to do is some embossing. So we're going to get our Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. This is the big one. And we're going to emboss some Daffodil Delight cardstock that is 5 1/4 by 4. And we're going to put it in our folder here. We're just going to get this in there. I guess I should put that plate underneath, right? Make the proper sandwich. Okay, so now we have our paper embossed. We're going to layer this onto some basic black. And this is 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. And we're just going to glue this down. This is our Tombow liquid glue. Whenever you're adhering something with embossing on it, you want to be very generous with your glue. So this basic black is going to be our matte layer. Try to get this evenly spaced on here. Okay, and then we're going to put some basic black, and that is 2 1/8 by 5 1/4. And then we have some Designer Series paper that is 2 inches by 5 1/4, and we're going to adhere those two together. Isn't this pretty? This Designer Series paper. This suite of products is an online exclusive, so you won't find this in the annual or the mini catalogs. You need to go online to find these products. There's a whole host of online products that are exclusive to online only, but they're still available, so don't forget about those. Okay, so we have that glued together. Now we're going to put this onto our Daffodil Delight here. I probably should have did this before I connected it to the basic black, but that's okay. We're just going to put that right there in the middle like that. Then we're going to add this to our card base. Now our card base is Daffodil Delight, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And I should go ahead and burnish this down. Okay, so this is our card base, and we're just going to add these layers to our card base here. I think I want it to go this way. We're just going to have a tiny border all around, just like that. Then I have another piece of designer series paper. This is 3.5 by 4 1/4, and we're going to do some stamping on this. So let's get our stamps out. I have some Tuxedo Memento Black ink, and I'm going to stamp. Which one do I want the outside? I have 2 stamps here, one for the inside, one for the outside. You're pretty wonderful. Your kindness made my day. Or your kindness made my day. You're pretty wonderful. I think I'm going to do your kindness made my day for the outside. And we're just going to stamp that right here. I'm going to try to get it straight. Oh, that looks pretty good. Then I have some basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and we're going to stamp our inside sentiment on that. We're just going to put that right there, just like that. That is all the stamping we have to do. So since I have the inside out, let me go ahead and get this piece of designer series paper that is 3/4 of an inch, and then we're going to cut it down to 3.5 once we adhere it onto our cardstock here. I'm just going to put it on just like that. Then I have some basic black that is 5 by 3 3/4 that we're going to adhere this to. I'll get my stamping seal. Oh, we're going to put this on. I need to pick it up so I can see. Because my table has black, I can't see the black mat that well. So I need to pick it up so I can see it. Okay, and then we're gonna add this to the inside of our card base. Just like that. Oh, isn't that pretty? That's the inside done. So now we have this piece we're going to add to a basic black that is 4 3/8 by 3 5/8. I'm just going to add this here. Oh, I want to make it even. Even. Then we're going to add some Stampin' Dimensionals to the back of this. So let's get our dimensionals out here. I'm going to pop this up. Add this to our card front. Try to get it centered and straight. And then we're going to add some bling. So I have the bling here that is the low profile dots. Also online exclusive because it's part of this suite. And it comes in petal pink and gold. And I'm going to use some of these gold ones. Let me get my take your pick tool here. And we're going to add some of these cute little dots. There is another, there's dies and another stamp set that goes in this suite of products. And the other stamp set has this cute, these like ladybugs in them. Super cute. Let's add a couple of more of these around. I'm gonna bring, I want to bring your eye down so you can see this ladybug. I think this one is too big to go there though. Let's put that there. We'll put a small one down here by the ladybug to draw your eye over this way. Let's put one more. I don't want a big one. I need a small one. One small one. Where will we put this one? Let's put it down here. Just like that. We have our odd number. Okay, isn't that pretty? Look at that. Very simple, but elegant and cute, right? Not a lot of stamping, but it looks so pretty. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.